This is not just any bibingka. This is Shey's home-style bibingka, a Cavite favorite every day of the year, not just around Christmas time. We go behind the scenes to see how they make it from scratch. Here on General Castañeda Street in Imus Cavite, locals and visitors line up for warm, fluffy, slightly smoky bibingka, a Filipino rice cake done right. This isn't a trend, it's decades of craft and taste. Like classic bibingka, it starts with rice flour and coconut milk, the backbone of Filipino rice cake tradition. Here at Shey's, quality rice flour is blended with rich coconut milk to form the batter. Smooth, thick, and aromatic. You see the batter being stirred right before your eyes. Glossy, rich, ready to bake. A mixture with sugar, not too much. Salt balances the sweetness. Now the banana leaves, the secret aroma. They're gently charred over flame to release a deep, toasty perfume. Then they're placed into the baking tray, lining every corner. This leaf will infuse the bibingka with its smoky signature. The batter goes in, topped with sliced salted egg, local cheese, and sometimes a dusting of sugar or grated coconut. Every layer adds a flavor note, sweet, salty, creamy. At Shey's, this is where tradition meets technique. Coals underneath, coals on top, just like the old clay ovens.
Para kinabukasan po, bago din po yung luto.
This two-direction heat cooks the cake evenly, gives it a slight char on both sides, and traps steam inside, keeping it soft and moist. When it's done, the edges are slightly crisp, the center is pillowy soft, and that banana leaf aroma hangs in the air. Butter is brushed while it's still hot, and the steam rises in little swirls, perfect for that first bite. Shey's isn't just a shop, it's local heritage. Since the 1980s, people from Imus and beyond have come here for their favorite bibingka and puto bumbong. It's daily comfort, not just seasonal magic.
Na, mga ano oras po po?
Warm, slightly smoky, sweet and salty, that's bibingka, Filipino through and through. Made with heart, served with pride. At Shey's Homestyle Bibingka, Imus Cavite.
Bali yung nag-start po ng Shey's Homestyle Bibingka ay si Tita Shey's Reyes po. And yung tita po namin na si Tita Agnes, yun po yung una niya pong tauhan. Then after po nung namatay po si Tita Agnes, kinuha po nila yung mama ko po na mag-take over po. Then nung namatay po si Tita Shey, yung mama ko na po yung nagtuloy po. Kumbaga pinasa na po sa amin yung responsibility po dito sa Shey's. Bali yung Shey's Homestyle Bibingka po, nag-start po siya nung 1985 po. Lahat naman po ng bibingka dito sa Imus masasarap, pero yung sa amin po kasi is pure na bigas po siya. Wala po siyang kahit na anong halo, kundi bigas lang po talaga. Kaya kahit hanggang 3 days, malambot pa rin po yung bibingka po namin. Bali yung bibingka po is ginigiling po namin yung bigas, then may mga special ingredients po kami na nilalagay. Tas yun po, tas niluluto po namin siya sa ganitong kalan po, sa uling. Yun pa rin yung original pa rin na proseso niya. Pero yung lutuan po namin kasi is stainless, compare po sa iba is gawa po sa paso. Yung paso po kasi nababasag po kaagad. Kaya stainless po yung lutuan po namin.
Lagi, oh. Thank you.
Yung paso po kasi hindi po siya sabihin na pangmatagalan po. Compare po kasi sa stainless, ito pa rin po yung gamit namin simula nung 1985, ito pa rin po yung gamit namin. Compare pagpaso po kasi saglitan lang siya nagagamit, tas bili po ulit. Actually po, pinaplano po namin na magkaroon ng another branch po kasi ito po kasing Shey's is dito lang po talaga. May branch kami dati sa may Abad po, kaso nung nasunog po yung Abad dito po sa may Nueno Highway, hindi na po kami nag-branch ulit po.
Bibingka isn't complicated, it's intentional. Slow-made,
Oh, wait lang.
handcrafted, shared. This is how bibingka is made, for one and all.